Gosh, we were all talking about the kind of the flop last week from the moon.
That was a disappointment.
I mean, yeah, it really was. But they NASA made up for it.
Yeah, NASA has made up with it. Some amazing pictures from the sun in tonight's Forecast Focus. NASA's twin stereo spacecrafts called Behind and Ahead. Look at that smoke coming off of eruptions coming off of the sun. That's what we're looking at. The stereo spacecrafts Behind and Ahead captured the rare footage of the sun erupting over about a 30 to 40-hour period in late September. NASA reports that this eruption was one of the prominences, clouds of cooler gas suspended above the sun's surface by magnetic forces. The eruption was so large that both spacecrafts were able to observe the sensation for hours on end. One of the first times this has occurred. NASA says the cloud lifted up, broke away, and headed out into space. Very cool. Well done, NASA and Sun. Here's a look at our radar right now. We are bringing in the wet weather. A little bit of a break around Spokane and Coeur d'Alene as the first wave moves north into the northern valleys. Some pockets of cool air could result in a little bit of snow when the precipitation starts off in the northern valleys, maybe even some freezing rain in western Montana. But that will be turning all terrain. We're looking at mountain snow above 4,000 feet. Generally, we could see up to 6 inches in the northeast mountains and North Idaho. More wet weather to move in from the southwest tonight. Expect sustained rains overnight. And then tomorrow, more showery precipitation, especially in the afternoon, and expect some breaks. Temperatures right now in the 40s in Spokane and Coeur d'Alene. It's 52 right now in Lewiston, 40 degrees in Wenatchee. We're going to be warmer tomorrow thanks to a southwesterly flow produced by a deep area of low pressure out here in the Pacific. It's not only bringing up some more mild air, we're going to see temperatures overnight above freezing for the most part for the next several days, but it's also bringing up a lot of wet weather. So we are going to be bringing in one system after another, bringing valley rain and mountain snow for the next several days. Taking a look at our national satellite and radar, finding some flooding rains throughout the southeast. A little bit of snow flying as we head into Nebraska up through the Dakotas, but the big news nationally is this moisture pouring into the west, causing some real problems throughout California with wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour. It's caused some problems with the power grid down there and very heavy rain, causing some problems with flooding as well as heavy snow falling in the Sierra Nevadas. Here's a look at your 7-day outlook. Valley rain, mountain snow with warmer weather coming and more wet weather coming. Thursday, we get a break most of the day before the next system moves in the late afternoon. Right now, it looks like we get a break for most of the day on Friday before another system moves in Friday night and into a soggy Saturday. Chance of showers on Sunday, but more likely holding off until Monday. One system after another for some pretty wet weather. But again, look at the overnight lows. We're looking at valley rain and mountain snow.
Okay, that's